guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven and today I'm bringing you guys a hair review on this Ali Pearl hair. So I ordered this hair in April and I received it in 3 days. I've been wearing it since April. It's July now, so I've been able to go steady with it. I've been able to see what I like and what I dislike, and so I'm bringing you guys a review today. So I ordered 20, 22, 24, and 26 inch bundles with an 18-inch transparent lace frontal, and it's in their Brazilian straight. So when I got the hair, I washed it, and that was my first test, the wash test. I got the hair and it did wave up, which I appreciated. I'm always reluctant to use hair that is bone straight after it's washed. It doesn't sit well with me. So I washed it and yeah, it waved up a little bit. It had like a nice natural wave, and after I washed it, I got it installed into a frontal sew-in. So I wore the sew-in for about a week, and I didn't get any tangling. Let me just say that I didn't get any tangling. I got a little bit of shedding, but it wasn't too much. It wasn't major, anything for me to just take the hair out. But yeah, I went for about a week. Got minimal shedding, no tangling. And I took the hair out because I suck at frontals. I don't like putting up with frontal maintenance. Like, it's just not for me. Frontals are not for me. So I had to take it out, and I ordered a 5x5 lace closure from Tanashi Hair, which I'll link down below because this closure is phenomenal. But yeah, I sewed it into a wig, and now that I was in my bag, I had to apply a little pressure. So I went ahead and bleached and colored the hair to see how well it would take the bleach and how well it would take the color and what would happen, how sis would react. And sis tried to crumble. Sis tried to crumble, but she didn't fold, which I was so happy about. The hair is still healthy. Now I am getting a little bit more tangling and in the nape area, and I'm getting a little more shedding, which is fine with me because it's not anything major. It's not like I'm pulling out clumps and clumps of hair or anything like that. I'm just getting a few more strands of hair when I rake my fingers through it. Like right now I'm not getting any, but yeah, sometimes I'll get a few more strands of hair. And to alleviate some of the dryness in the hair from bleaching, I do use a serum, the Chi Silk Infusion Serum, and that helps tremendously. It brings the shine back into the hair, and it makes the hair look extremely healthy. So yeah, it takes color very well. It holds a curl very well. I curled this hair about 2 days ago, and I'm still rocking it, still rocking with it. I have some loose waves, and I have a little curl in the front, which is what I like the hair better when the curls fall, so I'm enjoying this a lot. So I would definitely recommend this hair. It passed all my tests. It passed the wash test, the sleep test, the wear test, and the dye test. And I would definitely recommend it. This is some pretty good hair for AliExpress hair. And it's cost efficient, so I would definitely recommend it. Y'all obviously see I'm enjoying it because I'm wearing all this damn hair in this Texas heat. I fight death every day to wear this hair, and I love it. I would definitely recommend it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.